Today's little job is my TIG welder. Just a cheap little one, DC TIG welder, but it's got this little switch, and when you're trying to get in awkward little spots, it's just a pain. You've got to be pressing that, and so got this little foot switch off Amazon, just a cheaper foot switch, momentary, press to brake, make, release to brake, aluminium, light as a feather. So what I'm going to do, take this switch off here, take the wire out the cord, or this protective cover here, put it into a foot switch. That way I can get right in, tiny little spots, and not worrying about pressing that, just use my foot. So we'll start by taking this cover off. I think it's about 11 quid off Amazon, this switch. Put that to the side. There we go, normally closed, common, normally open. So we're going to go between common, normally open. So with the foot as it is normally, no contact, press it down to make. That's like pressing that trigger, and we should be able to get an arc. Simple as that. Put some little crimps on, make a tidy job of it. So we'll take this little switch off here. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go, just two little contacts in there. Basically, as you see there, we've got normally closed, normally open, and a common, and that's it. So simple, snip that off, and that's it. There's not even a cover on the back of that. Cheap as chips. Right, let's pull this wire out of here. Whoa. That tells you why I use the right container. Been doing a little bit of sign writing this morning on a sign I've got. I'll put a picture up in a second, show you what I've done. But I put my thinners in here to clean my brush, and just melted, and it's gone all over the bench. So yeah, there's a little lesson. Just to prove a point with the contacts, here we are, continuity. Got the beep. So if we go between common, normally closed, we have continuity. Go between them two, common and normally open. Nothing working. Press the foot switch, and we're firing. Let go, stop welding, press, we start welding. Just a little electrical test just to show what we're doing. Do that. Get everything ready before we go all the way. Don't need that. So finger tight is more than enough. Strip this back. There's plenty. It's easier looking at it than looking for it. I'll tidy these up for a start. Oh, I need a couple of crimps. Let me get them. Hello, mister. Hello, boy. Ah, a couple of crimps. Do a little strip. Could do a little bit more than that. Same on that one. Pop it in there. Grips, strips, all in one go. Got a crimp on. Just like a little bit of wire sticking out the end there. We know we're through. Got a good connection on the crimp. What we're always looking for. That's one. This is just a make or break circuit, so even though the colour coded, it's just power in, power out, so it doesn't matter which way around we go. Really, just a preference really. Nice and tight. Oops. And then this one. Remember, into the normally open. Once we press the pedal to make power. Right, that's in there. Little cable clamp in here. We'll make use of that. Push that there. Stop it spinning if we can. Oh yes. Not that it's doing a lot up. Right. That's that. So we're in, cable's clamped. We're done. Press this. Should get an arc. Woohoo! Nice. Well, I don't profess to be a welder, but for a little trial run, use my foot switch. Well happy with that. Alright, on to the next project.